Hi, my name is Grace, and if you are a CEO, founder, busy executive, or a celebrity who is constantly juggling between meetings, email, projects, and deadline, then you are exactly who I need to help. I know what it's like when your day, is packed with tasks that needs attention, but not necessarily your attention, because that is where I come in. As an executive virtual assistant, I help business leaders reclaim their time by taking care of operational tasks that keeps the business running smoothly. From calendar, inbox management to client communication, project coordination, data management, travel arrangements, and administrative support, I make sure nothing falls through the cracks. What you gain by working with me is not just more than an assistant. You gain a reliable partner who is proactive, organized, detail-oriented, tech-savvy, and committed to making your business operate efficiently. So instead of spending hours, managing schedules, following up on tasks, and sorting through emails, you can just focus on growing your business, making strategic decisions, and serving your clients. My goal is very simple: to stay organized, productive, and focused on what matters the most. So if you're looking for someone who communicates clearly, takes initiative, and genuinely cares about helping your business succeed, I'd love to work with you. So let's connect and discuss how I can support your goals. I look forward to working with you. Ciao.